You did everything right. You walked away. You focused on yourself. You didn't chase. But suddenly, she's back. Not in a way that's obvious but subtle. It's a random message. It's like an old photo. A casual, "Hey, how have you been?" You think, maybe she wants me back. But then, her behavior becomes confusing. Hot and cold. Interested, then distant. Testing your patience. This is where most men fail, because they don't understand why women test after no contact. They fall back into the trap of seeking validation, proving themselves, or reacting emotionally. But if you want her to chase you, you must master this test. This is where Stoicism gives you the upper hand. Let's break it down. Why do women test after no contact? To understand this, we have to look at human nature, especially female psychology. A woman's tests are not conscious manipulations. They are instinctual. Women are wired to seek security, strength, and emotional resilience in a man. When you went no contact, you disrupted her certainty. At first, she may have thought you'd chase, but when you didn't, a seed of doubt was planted. Did I misjudge him? Is he the high-value man I thought he was? Now, she needs to test you to find out. She's not just testing if you still care. She's testing if you still have the strength to remain unshaken. Epictetus said, "It is not events that disturb people. It is their judgments concerning them. A weak man reacts. A stoic man observes, understands, and remains unmoved." How to pass her test like a stoic women test in different ways. Here's how to handle each one with stoic composure. 1. The subtle reach out. A random text. "Hey, how have you been?" A like on an old photo or a story view. A comment meant to trigger a response. How to handle it? Don't rush to reply. A stoic man doesn't seek validation from attention. If she's truly interested, she will make it clear. Keep responses short, confident, and neutral. Example response. "Hey, I've been good. Hope you're doing well too." No over-explaining, no emotional energy. Let her chase. 2. The emotional spike test. Women often test by triggering emotions. She might bring up old memories, hint at a new guy, or make a passive-aggressive comment. This is meant to see if she still has emotional control over you. How to handle it. Do not react emotionally. Remain calm, indifferent, and unshaken. Example. If she says, "I've been seeing someone new and he's amazing," the weak man reacts emotionally. The stoic man, he smiles and says, "That's great. Hope it works out." Unshaken, unmoved, she will feel your strength. 3. The jealousy test. She might ask if you've been dating, mention other guys, or post things meant to make you react. How to handle it? Live your life, never justify, explain, or compete. If she asks, keep it vague and confident. Example, "I've been focusing on myself. Life's been great." Mysterious, unattached, she will wonder about you. Master the game, don't play it. Women test because they are wired to seek strength in a man. Most men fail these tests by reacting emotionally, proving themselves, or chasing. A stoic man, he remains calm, detached, and in control. If she reaches out, don't rush. Let her invest. If she tries to trigger emotions, smile and stay unshaken. If she plays games, don't play along. You don't chase, she does. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share. The journey to self-mastery has just begun. Now go apply it.